Before the nation had been formed, people of England and Holland had settled in the east and southeast, and brought from Africa slaves and settled them mainly in the south. People of France had settled in the south and Midwest, and people of Spain had settled in the southwest. But after the nation was formed, more people came. People from North and Central Europe, especially from Ireland, Germany, and the Scandinavian countries, came to America in the early 1800s to the Midwest. People immigrating to America, becoming Americans. People from Asia, many from China and Japan in the late 1800s and early 1900s to the far west. The people of the world in America. But there was movement and shifting of people and intermixing.
We can't continue with a broken immigration system. It's not good for anybody.
I'm tired of the politics of division.
We reward people who break the law. And then we have federal mandates on the states, and we tell the states that you have to provide free medical care and free health care. The country's overly burdened. People are having trouble paying their bills. And this is just more incentive for illegal immigrants to come. So I'm not for giving them automatic citizenship, and I'm not for having the federal government tell the states that they have to give them any free services. And then if and when we have a free enterprise system and free markets and sound money, we could be a lot more generous about letting immigrants come here and work and go back and forth. But today it's a threat because we've encouraged it to be illegal, and that means we need more border guards. We don't want to promise them easy citizenship.
I came to America in 1914.
My parents brought me when I was 6 years old.
I came to United States in 1997.
Well, finally, when I got to Ellis Island, you know, they were calling Miss Siegel, Miss Siegel. I didn't know who Miss Siegel is because our name is Miss Segal. After it became Siegel, it's a whole story. I can't explain. But my name was supposed to be Yorkovich, so they cut away the York, the rich, and they made it York.
Then, senior year came around, and everywhere I go, people are saying, oh, the second you turn 18, you're going to be deported. The second you graduate, you're just not going to be able to go anywhere. You don't exist. So, start getting ready to pack your bags and go, because we basically don't want you here. There isn't any way for me not to feel like I'm an American. I was raised in this country.
I came on a visitor's visa. As soon as I came here, my daughter told me that her green card is in process, and she is going to sponsor me, and there is no need for me to go back to India. I can stay here with her. But unfortunately, her employer, for some technical reasons, stopped processing her for green card, and I became an undocumented immigrant. And fortunately for me, in 2000, President Clinton gave an amnesty, and I was able to stay here and get my stay regularized. But it was a long process. Though my daughter sponsored me for green card, it did not come through. And the Congressman Rushholt had to intervene and get my green card after 7 years.
I don't understand why, if we've always been so united, like, my people and students like me have to be put into this corner. Like, oh, well, you've always been there, but you don't really count, you know?